Welcome back, everyone. So for today's video, I want to talk about a few hidden tips and tricks and bonuses in some of the apps that I have been using that will help you get a little bit more out of these Beer Money apps. Now, obviously, I'm currently limiting these to just the ones that I have reviewed or put on Beer Money reports, and there are plenty more tips and tricks out there. Matter of fact, I'd love you to comment some of those tips that you know from Beer Money apps you've done on the comment section below, and I might even look at the best ones in a future follow-up video. So for this video, the 4 apps I'm going to look at are the ones that I've talked about the most other than Atlas Earth on this channel, and that is BeerMoney, Cashwalk, Microsoft Rewards, and Swagbucks. And before anyone asks, none of these involve referrals or referral bonuses. But if you want to sign up for any of them, I will leave links in the description below and on the pinned comment. Remember that signing up as a referral and staying active in those said apps not only helps you make money, but helps this channel as well. No subscription necessary. So we're going to go ahead and start with BeerMoney. And with BeerMoney, we already know of Earn Plus, and I have talked about it in a previous video as to how great Earn Plus is. So we're not going to talk about it on this video. But what I am going to talk about are these 2 panels that you will see. You'll see an Earn with Surveys here by TheoremReach, and then you will see one here in the bottom from TheoremReach. Now, they do kind of mix and match here and there. Sometimes you'll see TheoremReach on top, sometimes you'll see TheoremReach on top, but you're going to want to go to the one that says TheoremReach and click on Start Survey. And when we go here, I want you to go to the top right, and you'll see that little flame there with a 6. You'll probably have it as a 0 or a 1 or however many days that you've done it. And you will see here a streak calendar. And what this streak calendar does is that if you manage to complete a survey every day for 15 days, not consecutive, you'll receive a bonus. And with Earn Plus, you'll also get double for that bonus. So it's like a bonus on top of a bonus. I got an extra 25 coins for my 5th day of the streak. And in Earn Plus terms, that became 50 coins, so 50 cents. I'll probably work on surveys to see where 10 and 15 will get me, and especially with Earn Plus. This actually makes the surveys that much more valuable. It actually kind of nears the level of a lot of the studies on MTurk, which is kind of nice. I'm now moving on to Cashwalk, mostly because there's actually a couple hidden gems that I forgot to talk about in the review, and I wanted to talk about them. So the first one is playing the lottery. So with this, you'll go to play. Now you're going to go ahead and press lottery. It's available on iPhone and Android. I think it's a little bit different on the iPhone. It's probably not on the play tab. It might be on the rewards tab. Make sure that you check on that. But anyways, you can click on lottery, and what you're going to do is you're going to scratch a ticket. And this ticket earned me about 10 coins for the very first ticket. But since then, I've only ever gotten 1 coin, and you press that, and there's the 1 coin. So you will get 3 of these free per day. So I'm going to go ahead and do my 3 here. There's a 2nd coin, and here is a 3rd coin. Now, if I do it again, I will have the ability to watch an ad, and I can watch up to 4 of these, and each ad will give me an additional 5 tickets. So you can potentially get up to 23 tickets a day, so a minimum of 23 coins, which translates to around 4 cents. And that's not bad at all, especially if you're already doing the 50 ads a day with BeerMoney or without Earn Plus 25. This is just going to extend that ad viewing spree just very slightly. And also, you get a little bit more for your gift card and getting it towards that gift card, which makes it a lot better. The other hidden gem I want to talk about are what we call challenges. Now, they have these challenges on the forums if you press the feeds tab, and you'll see there's a lot of notices here. But the ones that I want to talk about are these 3 challenges. I'm going to click on the notice of one of them here. They come in 3 flavors at this point. There might be more by the time you're watching this. But the 3 that they're currently doing is the 10,000 steps challenge. Now, the 10,000 steps challenge is you simply get 10,000 steps. You have the workout challenge, which involves you taking a picture of yourself at the gym working out to some degree. Then finally, there is the sky gazing challenge, which involves taking pictures of the sky. Each of these challenges involves you opting in by posting on the forums. This is an example of one of those topics. And they'll even give you instructions on how to participate as well, which is pretty cool. And you will go all the way down here to the comment section and you will write "I'm in" so that they know that you are in. And then over the month-long period, you're going to want 14 days, not consecutive, but for 14 days of the challenge. Once you've reached a goal, say the 10,000 steps or you're working out or whatnot, what you're going to do is go back to home and you see this little, let me press here. You see this little camera button here, right? So you're going to click that. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a picture of yourself on the overlay with this step counter. Now, for the 10,000 step challenge especially, I don't do that. I just take a screenshot. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to feeds and you're going to post it. So it's a little bit difficult here, but if you press around here, it should allow you to go back. And then you're going to click this button and you're going to click view posts. So view my posts. And you'll see all my posts that I viewed already up to this point. But you're going to want to write a post instead. So you're going to click write a post. And then on the board, I'm actually going to use my mouse, but you're going to use your touchpad for this. Select challenge. And then write down the challenge accordingly. And then put up your video. And if you do this 14 times, you'll be able to go to, let me find go back here. Go back to that 10,000 steps challenge. And in the 10,000 steps challenge, there is a form. Now for this one, I might have already done this form. Pretty sure. Oh no, wait, this is a new one. Let me find an example of another one. Hang on for a moment. I'm going to go to the sky gazing challenge one, and you will see here a success certification form. We're going to go ahead and click on that. So I'm going to click on that, and it will take you to a Google form where you'll put down your name, your nickname. My real name is my nickname. How old you are, gender. Go here to your referral code and the link of the 14th day post, and accept the privacy policy, and then you will be rewarded a week after the event with 1,000 coins. It is the equivalent of $1.67. If you're really interested, this is a fun way to jumpstart getting the gift card goal, but it does take a slightly more significant amount of effort than others. But for myself, it just takes me less than a minute to make a picture, post it on the forum with the proper template. Eventually you get used to it and it's pretty simple. Microsoft Rewards is next, and for the tip here, we're going to go to View Dashboard, and in View Dashboard, you're going to want to go down to right here. You're going to go to this little one with the 5 check marks, and you're going to click check it out. Now, it's a little bit too late for November, but they do these every month. And what you're going to do is you're going to click the first one, and it will take you to something regarding that, and then you will get a check off the list. Now, you have to come back at least every 24 hours to do the next one on the list. And you'll see here, it'll tell you what to do, and then to get that next punch, you must wait 24 hours or more after completing the first day. And this is only 5 out of 30 days, and you will be rewarded with 50 points. And that's about 5 cents, which isn't too bad. You literally just have to click on a button. It's very easy. And finally, the other tip for this one involves going to the Microsoft Start app, which let me head down there now. I just made this makeshift Windows capture. Right here, go to Start. And if you go to Deals, so the Deals is right here, and you go to Deals and you do 6 receipts in 14 days, and it actually I think it also needs to show up as well on the rewards section too. You will earn 250 bonus points. So I have already gotten 250 points for 6 straight. I did not get it the second time around. I'm not sure if it's only a one-time thing. I have a feeling it is. I am still testing that. But still, for 250 points and to download an app, it's not bad. One more thing I forgot to mention as well on the Microsoft Rewards reviews, or I might have, but if you click on Rewards, and you see here there's a daily check-in. This daily check-in is not associated with the daily streak on the browser version. They are 2 separate entities, and you can, in fact, get bonus points for both of them, basically. So, yeah, in case you were wondering, no, the check-in and the streak are, in fact, separate. You can do them both separately. finally, we are on to Swagbucks. Now, I've done a ton of research on this, and right now, to me, the best two consistent ways to make money on this app involve magic receipts and daily trivia. We'll do magic receipts first. So the best way to do this from your app, you're going to go to the shop tab, and you're going to click the bottom right here. So this bottom right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to want to upload a receipt. Now, before you do that, be sure to check all the different deals first to make sure that a product that you haven't bought isn't already on the list. Once you know it's on the list, go ahead and click add to the list, and then you can click on it. This one's actually on CVS, not Walmart. Wish I'd known that one. That would have been pretty easy to get. But anyways, what makes this special, though, isn't so much the deals, but if you click on, I'll give Sam's Club as an example, you'll see here at the very bottom, there is earn 1 Swagbuck for every receipt. So no matter what receipt it is, you will always get at least 1 cent. And it's at least worth 1 cent because every month, or at least every month that I've had it, you can trade in 2,200 Swagbucks for a $25 gift card, which is more than 1 cent per Swagbuck. So I always also kind of stack it with a swag up rebate of 50 to 100 Swagbucks to make it even cheaper. So that's it for magic receipts. Pretty easy. You can get bonuses, and also there's certain categories you can get 2 or certain brand names for 5 Swagbucks extra as well. And finally, the other one is Daily Trivia, and it is a separate app, Swagbuck Daily Trivia. And there's 2 ways to play with this. So they have a live game Monday through Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern where you can earn a share of $1,000, and sometimes they'll have a very special game. Like apparently there's a $5,000 game coming up tonight. This is going to be well after recording, though. This is recorded 2 days before I have sent it out. So sorry, I don't think that this game is going to be on tonight. I think it's just going to be 1,000 for Wednesday. But there's usually at least 2,000 winners. The average amount of Swagbucks I've seen won is about 20 Swagbucks. Probably, if they're going to keep the questions as easy with this one, that'll be about 5 times that. And yeah, you have to answer all 10 questions correctly to win that prize, but even if you don't, from the 2nd to the 10th question of the game, you will get 1 Swagbuck for each question correct. You also get a mulligan, which is basically a rejoin, which you pay for 1 Swagbuck, or here on the top left, you can just watch an ad by clicking the plus button. I already got 4 free rejoins, but I can watch a quick video to get an additional rejoin. And then there are certain weeks, 1 week a month, where they will have all week long, you can get 3 free rejoins just for playing as well, which is also kind of nice. And finally, the second daily trivia method is the Daily Trivia Challenge. Now, this one is just 10 random questions, which I'm going to do at the end of this video to show how it's like. You answer 10 questions, and you must answer 4 correct in order to get 1 Swagbuck, 6 correct to get 2 Swagbucks, 8 to get 3, and of course all 10 results in 10. Now, most Fridays, they will have an event for like 3 hours. Usually it's between the hours of 1 to 4 p.m. Eastern, where the amount of Swagbucks you can earn double. You can also get a second entry by completing a survey or completing your daily tasks or making your daily goal. That means that you can get up to 40 Swagbucks just by playing on Friday and doing the 2 entries there. Now, I'm going to go ahead and to finish up this video, show you an example of the trivia questions you'll be looking at for the daily trivia. So click Start Game here, and let's find out. Which musical term refers to the rate at which a piece of music should be played? Tempo. Yeah, tempo. I'm probably going to do way worse than I normally do because, again, I'm doing this recording. Ella Slack has been a stand-in for what famous woman? Oh, geez. Barbara Streisand? No, Queen Elizabeth II. Okay. See what I mean? Boris Becker, Martina Navratil, and Andre Agassi. That's tennis. That's definitely tennis. I'll do 7 more here. What wintry location serves as Santa Claus's official address? Finland. The other 2 are summary addresses. Moving on. Gertrude Stein found the use of what punctuation to be degrading? Hyphen? Comma. Okay. Sometimes you'll get some of these really tough questions. That's why it's really hard to get 10 of them. Like Mary Lou Retton scored Olympic gold 1984. Which of the following is not a fast food restaurant? Outback Steakhouse. And 3 more here. To maintain proper hygiene, how long are you supposed to wash your hands with soap and water? 20 seconds is the only one that makes any sense. And sometimes you'll get those deductive logic questions as well. Which space flight was the first to land people on the moon? Apollo? Yeah. Pretty sure it was Apollo. And the final question. In what sport are 3-strike swifts known as a turkey? Bowling. So I got 8. That gives me 3 swag bucks. And that's pretty much the video, everyone. That's just a few tips and tricks of the Beer Money apps that I currently use. Let me know what you use for your apps as well. Please do like the video if you enjoy it. Comment below on your tips and tricks, and check out another Beer Money video like this one on my left about building a Beer Money portfolio tracker. And as always, thank you for watching, and I hope you come around again. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, everyone.